students. Yesterday we discussed some question answer and today I am also continuing the small question answers of chapter 1 standard 7 SS, and today it is the fourth lecture. Okay, standard 7 SS chapter 1 and the fourth lecture. We already discussed more or less 9 10 question answer and we are continuing. Okay, now for next question. In whose time did Anhil Wat Patan in whose time did Anhil Wat Patan became the main center of education? During whose period Anhil Wat Patan became the main center of education? Education means Vidyadham. My dear students, here H is there, here H is not there. Okay, so remember both are accepted, Vidya or Vidya. Okay, don't worry. So don't say these are spelling mistake. No, my dear student, I have read both the spellings in the book. Okay, Vidya and Vidya. Okay, so in whose time did Anhil Wat Patan become the main center of education? Means Vidyagam. Answer, my dear student, during the period of Siddharth Jai Singh. During the period of Siddharth Jai Singh, Anhil Wat Patan was the main center of education, means Vidyadham. Okay, during whose period? Siddharth Jai Singh. Okay, answer, Anhil Wat Patan became Vidyadham. Anhil Wat Patan became the Vidyadham, means main center, okay, of education in times of Siddharth Jai Singh. During the period of Siddharth Jai Singh, we know, okay, Siddharth Jai Singh requested the Jain saint to write a book on grammar. It was known as a Siddhaham Shabdanushasan. We have already learned in the first sem, even during explanation of this chapter I also said na. So Anhil Wat Patan became the main center of education during the period of Siddharth Jai Singh. Okay, next one. Which city was the capital of Gujarat? Which city was the capital of Gujarat during the reign of Chowra dynasty, Solanki dynasty and Wagila dynasty? During the Chowra, Solanki and Wagila dynasty, which city was the capital of Gujarat? Okay, I can ask in both ways. Okay, this thing I can ask earlier and later on I can add this one. Otherwise, I can start this one and add this one also. Okay, I can say like this: during Chowra, Solanki and Wagila dynasty, which city was the capital of Gujarat? Or which city was the capital of Gujarat during the reign of Chowra, Solanki and Wagila dynasties? In both ways we can ask the question and we know. Okay, what was the same name? Answer remains the same, Anhil Patan, known as Anhil Wat Patan. Okay, answer remains the same. Okay, if you ask like this or that way, answer remains the same. So which city was the capital of Gujarat? Anhil Patan is also known as Anhil Wat Patan. Okay, so Anhil Patan, also known as Anhil Wat Patan, was the capital of Gujarat during the reign of Chowra, Solanki and Wagila dynasties. Okay, so we can say during the reign of Chowra, Solanki and Wagila dynasties, Anhil Patan, also known as Anhil Wat Patan, was the main capital of Gujarat. Okay, we can say like that also. Now, what was the name given to the new kingdom? What was the name given to the new kingdom by Vanraj Chawda? We know Vanraj Chawda's father lost the battle, and after that, what happened? Vanraj Chawda, with the help of his friends, made a new army and recaptured his father's kingdom, but it was ruined. So they established one city on the banks of river Saraswati. And what was the name given there? What was the name given to the new kingdom by Vanraj Chawda? Answer: Anhil Barwad. Anhil Barwad was the friend of Vanraj Chawda, and from this name, the name of the new city was given, and that is why it is called Anhilwad Patan. Okay, what was the name given to the new kingdom by Vanraj Chawda? So answer: Anhil Barwad had help. Anhil Barwad was the friend of Vanraj Chawda when Vanraj Chawda was in the forest. Okay, he was learning the skills of fighting, archery, and many things. At that time, he had two friends. Okay, Chap and Anhil Barwad. So we can say Anhil Barwad had helped Vanraj Chawda to regain his father's lost kingdom, and so he named new kingdom as Anhilwad Patan. Okay, instead of giving his own name, he had taken name of his friend. Okay, nowadays you can see when you will find on your house. Okay, you will find either mommy or papa's name. Okay, we normally do, but here the king had good qualities, we can say. Okay, and in order to respect his friend, he had given the name of his friend to the new city. Okay, next one. Who got the pilgrim tax waived off? Means stop. Who got the pilgrim tax waived off in Anhilwad Patan? Okay, કોણે યાત્રા વેરો સ્ટોપ કરાવેલો? We know Queen Mother, Rajmata. Who was Queen Mother? Who was Rajmata? Yeah, Siddharth Jaisingh's mother, Minal Devi. Minal Devi is considered as a Rajmata, or you can say Queen Mother. Okay, so who got the pilgrim tax waived off in Anhilwad Patan? Answer: Rajmata Minal Devi. The Queen Mother Minal Devi, Rajmata Minal Devi or Queen Mother Minal Devi got the pilgrim tax waived off in Anhilwad Patan. My next question is, it is not a question, it's a, we can say, give reason something we can consider. Okay, we have to explain. Okay, next one. Vanraj Chawda had to build a new city. Vanraj Chawda had to build a new city. Now here I have written, means explain this statement. Okay, explain this statement. Here I have written this answer according to the points. My dear student, whenever you write question answer in essays, always go for point wise. It should not be like a paragraph. Is it clear? When you write any answer according to the points, it creates good impression one who checks the notebook or paper. Okay, so always write according to the points in essays. Okay, I always do the same. Okay, now Vanraj Chawda had to build a new city. Explain. Answer: Jai Shikri was the ruler of Panchasar. King Jai Shikri was the father of Vanraj Chawda. Jai Shikri was the father of Vanraj Chawda, and Jai Shikri was the king of Panchasar. Jai Shikri was the ruler of पंचासर. Second point, he attained martyrdom. He attained martyrdom. Martyrdom means shahid. He attained martyrdom in a battle. In a battle, when he had a fight with King Bhuvar, he died. He was killed. Okay. So Jai Shikri attained martyrdom in a battle. Therefore, because of that, his son, Jai Shikri's son, who Vanraj Chavda. Therefore, his son Vanraj Chavda recaptured the lost kingdom with the help of his best friends Anhil Barwad and Chapa Vania. Okay, in order to recapture his father's lost kingdom, he took the help of two person, his best friend. Who were his best friend? Chapa Vania and Anhil Barwad. Okay. Now see, therefore his son Vanraj Chavda recaptured the lost kingdom with the help of his best friends. Who were they? Anhil Barwad and Chapa Vania. Next one. In place of the ruined kingdom, he got his father's kingdom back, but it was ruined. Okay. In place of the ruined kingdom of his father, he built a new kingdom on the banks of river Saraswati. When he fought, he got his father's kingdom back with the help of Anhil Barwad and Chapa Vania. But the kingdom was totally ruined. So he built a new kingdom on the banks of river Saraswati. Okay, new kingdom on the banks of river Saraswati. And last point, he named the new kingdom as Anhilwad Patan. Got it? Next one, Vastupal and Tejpal. Explain, okay? Vastupal and Tejpal were good ministers. Explain. Vastupal and Tejpal were good ministers. Explain. My dear students, Vastupal and Tejpal, they worked very hard in order to spread Jainism. They built Terasar on Palitana, Abu and many places. Okay, so they spread Jainism in Gujarat, out of Gujarat also, and they were brothers. That's why this is written here. Vastupal and Tejpal were good ministers. How? Explain. Okay, the first thing, Vastupal and Tejpal had powerful personalities. They had powerful personalities, and because of that, the king of Gujarat had appointed as ministers. They had powerful personalities. Okay, Vastupal and Tejpal had powerful personalities. Therefore, they were appointed as ministers by the king of Gujarat. Okay. They were appointed as minister by the king of Gujarat because they had good personality. Okay. Next point, they put in administration what they did. They put an end to disorder. Some chaos over there. They stopped. Disorder means chaos. Okay. They put an end to disorder and inefficiency. Next point, thereby they made administration of Gujarat efficient. They whatever bad things were there, okay, chaos were there, disorder was there. They put an end. They stopped. They removed. Okay. Thereby after that what happened? They made administration of Gujarat efficient. Okay. Next point. The administrative skills and generosity of these two brothers enriched culture of Gujarat. Okay, it was very good. Okay, both brothers they worked very hard in order to give good administration in the kingdom. Okay, the administrative skills and generosity of these two brothers enriched culture of Gujarat. They played a significant role. They played a significant role in the spread of Jainism in Gujarat. Therefore, that is why we can say Vastupal and Tejpal were good ministers. Okay, why they were called good ministers? They had good personalities, and because of that personality, they were appointed as a minister. They spreaded Jainism in Gujarat. Okay, they stopped disorder, chaos, whatever spreaded in that, they stopped. Okay, and they did, and because of their generosity, okay, and the good skills of administration, okay, they were called good ministers. Next time we will learn more question answer. Thank you.